How to move channels and category on Discord text and voice channel. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure to move channels and category on Discord mobile. To do this, first of all you want to open your Discord application. After which you want to go ahead and open up the server, or just click on the server title. When you do this, you want to click on the gear icon or just the server title, and then click on the settings bar. When you go to the settings, you will then be able to see this sort of field. So here you just want to go ahead and click on, reorder first of all, and then go to category, and you want to just long press onto it, hold on, and then do the same thing and click on the done button. Now then you could do the same thing with that. You could go ahead and click on reorder and select text channel, and here you could just long press onto it and then drag it and hold it at the top, and this is how you'll be able to move channels and category. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.